Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for your likes, for your comments. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Eleftheria and I'm running a website called eleftheriabusinesspr.com. I'm a strategist and I help business owners grow the business online and beyond and grow the personal brand. Now in this video today, I'm going to show you a couple of plugins that will help you grow your WordPress website and help you with with your traffic. And also the most important thing, remember, is that will make your site faster. And something for you to remember, guys, since for those who are listening to and watching my videos, remember that we're working on the strategy, but while we're doing that is very, very good. And I recommend this, that you need to work on your website, even if it is a WordPress website or any other website. Remember to make your website faster, better, with your keywords, and use the right plugins in order to grow your business, because you need to learn to grow, to work on your website and grow your business rather than just focusing on your content. We'll do one by one, so remember that. So let's have a look through about those 5 plugins, and I will add some of some of others that I use. For example, we have the Yoast Seo Plugin. This plugin is very, very good. There is a free version and there is a paid version, and I totally recommend that you get the paid version because it's really is worth it, because it's giving you suggestions for your keywords, and also it's easier for you to optimize your blog post and generally to optimize your pages. As you can see here, you can have what you get with the free version and what you get with the paid version, but I'm telling you that there is a free training also if you subscribe to the website. So check it out. It's very, very important for you to have all green on your website, and I can show you what I mean here on your blog. If you go to your blog or to the pages that you're creating, then you need to make sure that everything is green. So as you can see here, the lights are green, which means I get a lot of organic traffic. And also working on the keywords as well and learn to grow your website. So the second one is, I will show you a plugin that is really, really making a difference on your website, and I use it and I like it a lot. It's a plugin that clearing all the caches, and remember that you need to do that also on your main Google and on your website. When you are using all your like the Firefox or whatever thing you're using. And let's go here. It's WP Rocket. This is a very good plugin that helps your site to be very, very fast. Remember, there is other also factors that determine the site if it is faster, like your hosting service or your images and other factors as well. So this is some of the key plugins that we're gonna see that it's really gonna help you grow your site and make it faster. So one of these is my favorite, WP Rocket. It's a free plugin, and then you can press here and remove all caches as files, as I just did, because I haven't done it for a while. So it's good to do that often. And then I will show you another one. This is called the Google Analytics Dashboard for the WordPress by Exact Metrics. This is a plugin that is going to help you, grow in terms of keywording, analytics. A lot of big companies using this one. and it's also helping you with, with setting up custom analytics, in generally connection with the Google Analytics, so you can have everything from where your traffic is coming from, how to correct it, what you need to do to increase it. Is really, really good. It's helping you with your Google Analytics. I'm using this one, the Insight Monster. Is really, really good, and it's giving you also more option for privacy, to put a private to your website, to have settings, things that you need to do in order to make your website legal. So this is another one. Then we have this one. This is my favorite. The WordPress Keyword Suggestion is a plugin that, is free to download, and it's giving you all keywords, and it's actually a keyword research tool, and it's free, that is helping you how to rank high on your needs within, and helping you, like, for example, find for your blog, for your pages. It's giving you a lot of suggestion. So you have to try this one. It's really, really cool, and also it's helping you accept Google, as you can see here, with Bind keyword research tool and other platforms. That is really good for you to try it, because remember, all of those tools and plugins are very, very important for your website, for you to grow your website, and while you're working on your website, you'll learn how to make it faster. Then we have, this is the SEO Internal Links. Well, this is very good SEO Eternal Links plugin for WordPress, and what that does is to help you optimize your site and help you rank on Google. And remember, guys, that there is a part of your strategy that you need to do to use the correct plugins, because this is the problem that a lot of my clients have, that they don't know what are the correct plugins for the website. So some of them, they're very expensive, they don't want to spend a lot of money, and some of them, they're not less expensive, they don't know if they're very good. So you need to actually try it. This is called SEO Eternal Links. It's very easy, just to download it, to put it on your WordPress, and it's going to help you a lot to rank higher than you think, because it's giving you also SEO matching keywords for your, for example, your pages or your URL into your niche. So it's really going to help you rank in Google, and please do not ignore that. I mean, the other thing is BuzzSumo, but it's very, very expensive, I know, for my clients. But I am using the Opt-in Master for, this is all for marketing, like email marketing. It's not really, for website, but BuzzSumo offer different services. And I use Opt-in Master for my campaign. It's, it's really very easy. And if you're just having a blog or, a Shopify shop, and you don't want to just struggle, Opt-in Master is the best. Definitely recommend it, because you don't really need to have a degree or something to put it on your email list, and it's helping you also with your site, because you can do different things. So obviously this is for marketing, like for email marketing, but I'm just saying a couple of plugins that you can use to make your site faster. It's really worth it for you to try the Yoast free training if you want to learn. But remember also the WP for the caches is very, very important. And also the hosting that we are gonna talk about in the next video. So thank you very much so far. Please don't forget to like this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and leave your comments below. And I wish you well.